In this video, I am going to be showing you how to install Instagram app on iPhone. First, make sure you have an internet connection on your iPhone. Now look for App Store and open it. Once your App Store is opened, now click on the search icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Search for Instagram in the search box. Click on it. Now click on this little download icon. As you can see that Instagram app started downloading. Now once the download is completed, click on the open button. Once Instagram app is opened, now enter your login details and log into your account. Or if you have not already an Instagram account, so click on the sign up button and create a new account for Instagram. So that's all it takes to install Instagram app on your iPhone. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like on this video. Also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.